In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Gantt chart in Google Sheets. A Gantt chart is a simple visual timeline of your project, showing tasks as horizontal bars that span from their start date to their end date. It's a great way to see what's happening when and where tasks overlap. All at a glance. First, open Google Sheets in your browser and make sure you are signed in. Starting from a fresh sheet is fine, but to save time, we'll use a ready-made layout. At the top right of the Google Sheets home screen, look for the Template Gallery option. Click it to open the collection of pre-built templates designed for different use cases. If you don't immediately see it, it's often near the top of the page. Expand it to view everything. Inside the gallery, scroll down to the section labeled Project Management. Here you'll find a variety of templates, tailored for planning and tracking. Select the Gantt chart template. When it opens, you'll see a structured table for your task information and usually alongside it, a chart that visualizes those tasks across a timeline. The layout is designed so you don't have to build charts or formulas from scratch. Before you start editing, create your own working copy. Go to File in the top menu and choose Make a Copy. Give your project a clear name and confirm it saves to your Google Drive. Making a copy ensures you keep the original template intact and prevents accidental changes to the master version, which is helpful if you want to reuse the template later for another project. Now, replace the placeholder data with your actual project details. In the task column, type in your task names. Enter start dates and end dates for each task in the corresponding columns. Be consistent with date formats so Google Sheets recognizes them correctly. As soon as you update these fields, the template will automatically generate or adjust the bars in the chart to match your timeline. If the chart uses formulas or helper columns, avoid deleting those, just focus on the task, start, and end fields. You can add more tasks by continuing the list in the same format. Keep your dates realistic. Check for overlaps and make sure dependencies are reflected by how tasks line up on the timeline. That's it. Thanks for watching.